Hi, welcome back to my channel Nas Bakes and Cooks. I'm back again for you all after a long break, and I do hope that this time you'll really enjoy this new recipe that I have brought for you. But before I start, I would like to request you to please watch my video patiently till the end. Without any further delay, let's get started now. Here I've taken a clean bowl. Into this bowl, I'm going to add around Here I add around 5 tablespoons of clarified butter. If you want, you can use butter also. Before mixing them thoroughly, let's add some lime zest. Around half teaspoon will do. This will give a rich aroma to the recipe. Now let's mix them in such a way that it becomes creamy and fluffy. So you can see that it has become so creamy, isn't it? Now let's add the next ingredients. Here I add around 2 drops of green food color. This is optional. I'm adding it just to give a slight green color to the recipe. Let's mix them very thoroughly. Here I add around 2.5 teaspoons of lime juice. First, I'm going to add around 2, later on half teaspoon. That leftover half teaspoon I have added now. Mix it in such a way that all the ingredients become homogeneous. Now the last ingredient, I'm going to add around 1.5 cups of flour. Let's give a mix once. I'm also going to add half teaspoon of baking powder. After mixing them together, this is the texture we got. Into this, I'm going to add around 4 tablespoons of fresh milk, and I'm going to knead the dough. Another 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. So this is the dough we got. Let's divide the dough into two parts. One part, we'll roll it. It shouldn't be too thick nor too thin. Around 2 centimeters will do. After that, with the help of a cookie cutter, we'll start cutting the dough. Let's dust the cookie cutter with some flour so that it will not stick to it. And press it on the dough like this. You can take the cutter of any shape of your choice. So in this way, I'm going to cut all the cookies with different cutters. We'll re-knead the dough and roll it again and follow the same procedure. Dust the cookie cutter with some flour so that the dough will not stick to it. After this process, I'm going to place all the unbaked cookies on a baking tray and keep it inside the fridge for around 10 to 15 minutes. After that only, I'm going to bake the cookies. Always follow this process. This will give a very good texture to the cookies. And don't forget to preheat the oven also for around 10 minutes before you start baking. So here is the baking tray. I'll place all the cookies, put it inside the fridge. After that, I'll bake. So here are the baked cookies. I baked them for around 15 to 20 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade. I'll break one and show you how does it look. Look at this. So crispy, isn't it? And the taste is just amazing. Slightly tangy, and the refreshing flavor of that lime zest. Wow. Just a bite of it and you feel so fresh. Look at the texture. So nicely baked. So if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And yes, please do comment also. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently till the end.